Welcome. In this guide, we'll show you how to efficiently apply a logo, PNG frame, and background to bulk images of different sizes using Photoshop's batch processing feature. Let's get started. First, organize your images by size. Create separate folders for each image size. For example, name one folder Source, one where you put the original images, and create a corresponding folder for the results, such as Source, one result. Now, let's set the crop parameters. Select the crop tool by pressing C on the keyboard. Set the dimensions to 1080px by 1080px, or whatever size matches your PNG frame or background. This ensures consistency across all your images. Open an image from Source, one in Photoshop. This will be our template for recording the action. To start recording an action, open the Actions panel by going to Window and selecting Actions. Create a new set by clicking the folder icon at the bottom of the Actions panel and name it appropriately. Next, create a new action by clicking the plus icon at the bottom of the Actions panel. Name the action and click Record. The red recording button will turn on, indicating that Photoshop is recording your steps. Go to File and select Place Embedded. Choose your background image and place it in the document. Drag the background layer below the source image layer in the Layers panel. Again, go to File and select Place Embedded. Choose your logo or frame image and place it in the document. Make sure the logo and frame are above the source image layer in the Layers panel. Select the background, source image. Use the Move tool by pressing V on the keyboard and align them to the center of the canvas using the alignment options in the options bar. Go to File and select Save As. Save the image in the Source, one result folder as a JPEG file. Close the image by going to File and selecting Close. Decide whether or not to save the PSD file. Stop the recording by clicking the Stop button in the Actions panel. Your action is now recorded. Finally, let's batch process the images. Go to File, select Automate, and then Batch. Select the set and action you created. Choose Source 1 as the source folder and Source one result as the destination folder. Click OK to start the batch process.